Greetings everyone, welcome to Cleverio. This is a getting started video on how to download and install Cleverio indicators in Quantower. To get started, you need to go to cleverio.com website, click on download. On the download page you have different versions of indicators. Each version comes with release notes to see what new features were added, what bug fixes were done. Let's go ahead and download the latest version. In the download folder, we're gonna see Cleverio indicators. We can go ahead and extract these indicators in Quantower indicator folder. To get more information how to do that, you can go to documentation section where it's described in detail. We extract the files. You're gonna see in the unzip folder that you have a license file for Cleverio and you have different indicators. The license file needs to be present so that indicators work. Let's open Quantower chart component. To open a chart, we go to Start and Charts. Now we're gonna add a new indicator by right-clicking on the chart, Indicators, Add Indicator, and under Custom Cleverio Demo, we see a list of indicators available. Let's just choose one. A more detailed video about each indicator will be done later this week. So we see multiple sections that can be configured, modified to your preferences. Let's say we can shorten the name of an indicator. This is useful when you're adding to watch list. The watch list will be covered after we add indicator to chart. So basically we can configure as we wish the thickness of the lines, the line colors and opacity, and etc. We can configure as we wish. We can show historical trend lines, we can show impulse and corrections, we can show coordinates. Let's say we on each candle we can see highs and lows basically, and everything is configured to your preferences. If you see anything that maybe you need or you wish to improve, let us know and we'll be glad to help and implement it. You can see our license information. Right now until mid-September we provide a free demo license. Later you'll need either to get a trial license, or if you purchase, you're gonna get a license on your name that activates indicators. So that's all for the chart. Again, more information can be found on the documentation section of our website. Those indicators work as well on watch list. This is the watch list of Quantower. To open watch lists, you can go to Quantower start and click on watch list. So let's say we want to sort coins that we would like to trade that are active and we would like to trade for scalping or day trading. So how can this be done? We can right click on an indicator, add indicator. Same thing as we did in the chart. We select indicator of our choice. Let's say we take another normalized average to range indicator. This is a volatility indicator. We see aggregation, that is the period of the time frame basically, and this shows how many periods we're gonna take. So it will take 1 minute 14 times, so 14 minutes. We can shorten the name so it appears short and nice. And again, we can see all the information about the license. It's implemented in each indicator. We save the changes, and now the indicator appears short. Another useful feature, if you would like to sort, right click in settings and enable auto sorting. This will help to sort on your preference. So let's say we see that this coin is more volatile than all the other coins. Or we can do on trades on different indicators. So it's very useful when you are doing day trading or scalping to select active coins. And that's all regarding indicators and how to add them. You can modify in watch list by right clicking on any instrument, go to indicators and select the indicator and edit. This the same window will pop up and you can make your modifications or remove the indicator by right clicking, remove. Okay, we covered watch list indicator. The next part, this is the just small tip how to navigate the site. You have documentation section. Right now we are missing some documentation, but we will add for each indicator. You're gonna see a detailed information, what the indicator does, how it works, how it calculates values, how to interpret each section on in the settings, and etc. You see some common sections that are included in the indicator and how to install and configure Quantower indicator, Cleverio indicator in Quantower. What else? For now, you have some brief information on each indicator. But later, this information will be implemented in documentation section. And if you have any questions, you can always contact us at support.cleverio.com, or you can write us on our page by adding your name, your email, and questions you have. We are glad that you came to you saw the video until the end, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.